Hey, amazing artists! Today we're making something super cool. A Spidey-tastic awesome Spider-Man mask with a twist. Grab your pencils, colors, and superhero hands. And watch till the end for my favorite part. It's super fun, but first, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. For the mask outline, draw a big egg, or maybe an oval, or a giant jelly bean if you're feeling silly. Give it a nice thick outline so it looks extra hero. Now, Spider-Man's eyes. Big and bold, kind of like giant leaves or big water drops. Draw two of them so Spidey can see all the bad guys. Right in the middle, between the eyes, draw a tiny little pentagon like a superhero badge. Now, draw straight lines like spider legs, all meeting at that center spot. Now, add some curvy lines between those straight ones. Think of it like a rainbow hugging a rainbow. But for spiders, of course. Spider-Man's mask is red. So let's color it in, nice and bold. And if you want a superhero glow, add a shiny red layer on top. Oh, it's looking amazing. Okay, now the fun twist I promised. We're gonna make his eyes and web lines out of black Play-Doh. Roll a teeny tiny Play-Doh ball. Squish, squish, squish. Place them gently inside the eye shapes. Press just a little bit so they stick. Make a few more and fill both eyes. It's like giving Spidey real superhero goggles. For the web lines, roll a long, thin Play-Doh snake. Place it carefully on your drawn web lines. Trim the extra bits, snip snip, and press gently to make it smooth. Keep going until the whole mask has awesome 3D webbing. And there it is, your amazing, super-duper Spidey mask. Wow, doesn't it look like it could jump off the page and swing across your room? You did it, little artists! I'll see you in the next fun drawing. Until then, keep drawing, keep smiling. Bye-bye, web slingers!